boys and girls. Welcome to week 2 of virtual phonics. This week's letter is letter X. Here is our picture card for letter X. And if you want to know the sign language, it looks like this. And we say X fox, x, 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 because X says x, kind of like the K or C sound followed by the S sound. So we're going to start with our handwriting today. So here's our handwriting practice page. You don't need it yet. I just wanted to show it to you. I'm going to use my little whiteboard today and see if maybe that's a little bit easier for teaching letter X. So for letter X, we always start at the red line? No, what does the red line say? Stop! Don't start here. We always start at the top. So let's start, we start up at the blue line. We're gonna come down at a slant, then pick up. Then we're gonna estimate a little bit, come over a little bit on the top blue line, slant back across to the red line and pick up. Notice that my X crosses right on the dotted line. That's the tricky part, is you have to estimate correctly so that your X goes across right at the dotted line. So let's try another one. Down at a slant, pick up, estimate over, down at a slant, pick up. Now, I'm going to show you something that sometimes happens that we want to make sure we self-correct. Sometimes I see boys and girls do this. Cross and then cross like that. Do you see where they connect? Look at that. Is that at the dotted blue line? So what do we do if we see that happen? Self-correct. Make sure you erase and fix it because Mrs. North does not want any chicken scratch. So we'll try it one more time. Why don't you skywrite it with me while I do it? Down at a slant to the red line, pick up, estimate over, down at a slant, and pick up. Now we're going to do lowercase letter x, which starts at the dotted line. We're going to start at the dotted line, down at a slant, pick up, then move over and estimate again, down at a slant, pick up. Now I don't have a line to guide where it needs to cross, but it needs to cross somewhere in the middle. Let's do it again. Skywrite it with me this time. Down at a slant, pick up, cross over, down at a slant. How do they look? Should I get a star? All right. We're going to move into some phonics now. Molly's here to join us. You can just say hi, but I've got to keep going. Let's talk about how many letters are in the alphabet. Can you tell me? 26. Do you want to do our jig together? Let's do it. 26 letters in the alphabet. Awesome. What two kinds of letters make up our alphabet? Vowels and consonants. Very good. Let's do our long vowel cheer first. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. Woo! Now let's do our short vowel cheer. A, E, I, A. A, E, I. Woo! Very nice. Let's talk about compound words. Go play with your sister, please. Compound words are two words that come together to make one word that makes sense. So, tell me, bookworm, is that a compound word? Bookworm, bookworm. Let's say it without worm. What word is that? Book. Very good. Let's do some others. Greenhouse. Greenhouse, greenhouse. Let's say it without green. What word is that? House. Great job. How about cornfield? Cornfield, cornfield. Say it without field. What word is that? Corn. Good job. Let's try cupcake. It's going to make me hungry. Cupcake, cupcake. Say it without the first word. Cake. Very good. Cup was the first word. And let's try cowgirl. Cowgirl, cowgirl. Say it without the second word. Cow. Very good, boys and girls. Good review. I hope that you've been working with some of your rhyming words and your compound words at home, teaching your parents. That's a great way to get some practice. We're going to move on to the phonics packet now. It looks like this. What I'd like you to do before you start the next video is please make sure to get your NAME name written neatly at the top. Be sure you're writing your first and last name because we are almost to the end of kindergarten, so we need to be able to write both first and last name neatly. Once you're ready to get started on this, you can move on to the next video. Thanks for joining me.